We have a lot of drivers that sometimes you need to create a custom page for and link the elements. So typically there are input-output drivers, but sometimes they could also be lighting. In either case, once you've installed the driver, you go to the Interfaces tab and you create just a simple home page. Now typically we will include the template that you will need to import. So once you create your home page, you can actually import it from a file, and then it'll just populate right into your window. Now the next thing to do is to link the information or the page so that it populates all the fields that were installed in the driver. And that's typically very straightforward. What you can do is just basically click on the element that you want to link, and in the driver itself you will see a connect to field, and typically with all of the Enovo drivers we will name the connect to field the same name as the element that it needs to be connected to. So in this case this is called CL Weather Station Day 1, and this is the connect to element that's built into the driver. If we want to connect something else here, this is Sunrise 1, and this will also, the name here will match the connect to element, and so on and so forth. And you connect all these elements. Now sometimes it's a lot of work, and there's a lot of elements to connect, but it will make for a really nice display. Once you've done all this, then back into the viewer, you can see this information here start to populate based on the driver. If you have another home page that you want to also create another one. Again, typically we will include all the screens that you will need to run the driver. And in this case here, for example, these are stationary fields and these are the dynamic fields. And we can click on the dew point and connect it into the driver CL Weather Station dew point, and hit apply, go to your viewer, and this will actually display all the information in here. And that's basically how you connect elements in from a home page or into the viewer so that all the information from the driver gets filled in. And you can take this across the board for most of our input-output drivers and some lighting drivers and follow our nomenclature.